पीटर वर्सेस नंबर। आज हम केमिस्ट्री चैप्टर 2 एसिड बेसिस एंड सॉल्ट के बारे में बताने जा रहे हैं। तो आप सबसे निवेदन है, आप थोड़ा ख्याल कीजिए, एकदम ध्यान दीजिए। ओके, आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट। व्हाट आर एसिड्स? एसिड्स क्या है? Substances that furnish positive hydrogen ions in an aqueous solution, that is panika, are called acids. Similarly, what are bases? Bases क्या है? Substances that furnish negative hydroxide ions in aqueous solution are called bases. Distinguish between acid and base. So on the basis of their फिजिकल एंड केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज। फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टी की बात करते हैं। एसिड का इट इज शोर इन टेस्ट, बेस का इट इज बिटर इन टेस्ट। एसिड का इट टर्न्स ब्लू लिटमस रेड, बेसिस इट टर्न्स रेड लिटमस ब्लू। केमिकल प्रॉपर्टी की बात करते हैं। एसिड पॉजिटिव हाइड्रोजन आयंस आर रिलीज्ड इन एक्वस सॉल्यूशन। बेस में negative hydroxide OH ions are released in aqueous solution. Second, reacts with metal carbonates to liberate carbon dioxide. Acid का है, and base का no reaction take place with metal carbonates. भले name to natural indicators: litmus and turmeric. What is the source of litmus solution? Lichen is the natural source of litmus solution. ये अवेलेबल अभी है, बरसात में काई जम जाता है, वही है। Which group does lichen belong? Lichen belongs to Halophyta group. Name two synthetic indicators. Methyl orange and phenolphthalein are two synthetic indicators widely used in laboratory. Why does distilled water not conduct electricity whereas rainwater does? Distilled water does not conduct electricity because it does not contain any ionic compounds like acids, bases or salts dissolved in it. But rainwater dissolves acidic gases like carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, etc., and form acids like carbonic acid, sulfurous acid, etc. These acids provide hydrogen ions, positive ion hydrogen, to rainwater. As a result, rainwater conducts electricity. Student, you may take the screenshots which I have given in this notebook. Why should card and shore substances not be kept in brass and copper vessels? क्यों नहीं रखा जाता है दही या खट्टा वस्तु को ब्रास या कॉपर वेसल्स में? Card and other shore substances should not be kept in brass and copper vessels because card and other shore substances contain acids which can react with these vessels to form poisonous compounds that can damage health. Chemical formulas of bleaching powder, plaster of Paris and gypsum. Bleaching powder का है CaOCl2, plaster of Paris का है CaSO4 plus half water molecules, gypsum का CaSO4 plus 2 water molecules. Why is acetic acid called a weak acid, though there are 4 hydrogen atoms in the molecule? Though acetic acid has 4 hydrogen atoms, but only one of the 4 hydrogen atoms is released as positive hydrogen ion in solution, so it is a weak acid. What is pH scale? What P is stand for pH. A scale for measuring hydrogen ion concentration in a solution is called pH scale. The P in pH stands for power. 0 pH shows very acidic, whereas 14 pH shows very alkaline. What is pH value of a neutral solution? pH value of a neutral solution is 7. The value of pH below 7 to 0, acidic. The value of pH above 7 to 14, alkaline. What changes in the color of iron nails and copper sulfate solution do you observe after keeping the iron nails dipped in copper sulfate solution? Iron nails become brownish in color and the blue color of copper sulfate solution fades. What is rancidity? What are the methods to prevent rancidity? It is the process of slow oxidation of oil and fat present in the food materials, resulting in the production of foul odor and taste in them. Methods to be prevented rancidity. Student, you may take screenshot. 1. Packing of food materials in airtight containers. 2nd. Refrigeration of cooked food at low temperatures. 3rd. Avoiding the food materials and cooked food keeping in direct sunlight. 4th. By adding antioxidants. Write 2 ways by which food industries prevent rancidity. The 2 ways are, एक नंबर में होता है जब by adding oxidants to the foods containing fats and oils. दूसरा by packing of fat and oil containing foods in nitrogen gas. Water, mineral acids. Strong acids, namely sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid and nitric acid are also called mineral acids. What are organic or edible acids? Acids which are produced by plants or animals are called organic or edible acids. Examples with sources. Acetic acid, source क्या है इसका? Vinegar. Citric acid, source क्या है? Lemon, orange. Maloic acid, source क्या है? Apple. Lactic acid, source क्या है? Curd. Tartaric acid, source क्या है? Tamarind. Oxalic acid, source क्या है? Tomato. Methanoic acid, source क्या है? And steam. What are weak acids? Which ionize only partially or to a lesser extent are called weak acids. Example, organic acids. What are indicators? Name the different types of indicators. Indicators are substances that help to detect whether the given solution acidic in nature or basic or alkaline in nature. There are 3 types of indicators. They are natural indicators, दूसरा synthetic indicators and तीसरा है olfactory indicators. Natural indicators, litmus, turmeric juice, petals of some flowers. Synthetic indicators, naphthalene and methyl orange. Olfactory indicators, vanilla, onion and clove. You can take the screenshots. आज का क्लास इतना तक, आगे दूसरा वीडियो हम डालेंगे. सबसे अनुरोध है वीडियो को देखिए, लाइक कीजिए. थैंक यू.